Record this thing. Okay, so as I said the last lesson, today I'm going to spend some time paraphrasing the text. Okay, so you guys should be focused on this. And then we can move to the next lesson.
Why? I thought we will. How can we thank you? Why?
No. Like the last time you guys got the summarize of this one, right? And I told you that I'm going to summarize it by myself so that you guys could like keep track with it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, like I said before, summarizing is that you're going to like make the text-led sentence but have the same meanings, the same informations. Okay? So, coming to the first one. There's a lot of salt on the earth, and it mixes very well with water. You cannot summarize this anymore. It's like really clear and very short right now. So you're just going to rewrite it. There's a lot of salt on the earth, and it mixes very well with water. Okay, put it here. And coming to the first one, there's some salt in our water. In fact, you don't, I mean, like, okay, yeah, you really need it. There is some salt in our water. And water on the land runs into lakes and rivers. The water from most lakes goes into rivers. These rivers run into the seas and oceans, and they carry a little salt with them. Some of the ocean's water moves into the air and clouds. So the cycle is the water on the land, like the water that drops on the land, it's going to go to the lakes and rivers. Some of the water in the lakes goes into the rivers, and then the rivers goes into the oceans and sea, and then the water from ocean and seas go into the clouds. So yeah, it's the cycle. You're going to rewrite it. Okay, coming to the right. The water from, the water on the land runs into lakes and rivers. The reason why we don't compare these two sentences, why don't we compare these two? Because it's different, right? The water from the land goes into, let here, wait. So the first sentence says that land here, lakes and rivers. Yeah. So lands go into lakes and rivers. But in the second but in the second sentence it says that the water from the lakes it goes to the rivers. So it's not like the same. This is like one way direction and this is like two ways. So you can combine it. So if you can combine it, then you're just simply going to rewrite it. Mm, here. The water on land runs into lakes and rivers. Right. Then the water from most lakes goes into rivers. Okay, so here's where the combination happens. Okay, wait. I think we don't need this. Okay, here. The water from most lakes goes into rivers. They says that these rivers run into the seas and oceans. So the pattern is like this. Lakes, rivers, seas, and oceans. So it's a one-way down. As you can see, it's a one-way down. So you can use like combined word like these this water or something. Okay, so the water from most lake goes into rivers. This water, this water later goes, I mean like runs into sea and ocean. And the cycle is then like seas and oceans goes to clouds. So this water, I mean like these waters runs, these waters runs into seas and oceans. They later, so what is they here? They means that these water. Okay, so you're going to write they later evaporate to the clouds, leaving the salt back. So what does this sentence mean? It means that they here is the water. The water from the ocean, so it's called so it's they. They later evaporates to the clouds, leaving the salt back. Leaving the salt back means that the salt is not evaporate. Because the salt is not evaporated, it's going to leave behind. Okay, so the water later evaporate to the clouds. Salt is not evaporated. Wait, let me check. Oh wait, let me just give along the link. Right. Okay, let's keep things continue. Okay, leaving the salt. I mean, like we can like leaving the salt behind. Leaving the salt, mm, leaving the salt back in the ocean to make it like most accuracy to the text. Okay, so this is our the first number two. Mm, okay, so this are the first number two. And this, as you can see, there are uh one, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. There's nine sentence and there's paragraph number two. And we got one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, we got five sentence in this paragraph. These two paragraphs still means the same, but less sentence. So as I told you before, the benefits of summarizing is that you could like understand the text easier and read it faster. Like for example, you go doing your projects and you read the whole long paragraph and then you summarize it. So the next time you wanna understand the paragraph again, you're just going to look at the paragraph that you are already summarized. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay, Anna. And the next one. The water in the ocean has more salt than the water in rivers. Ocean water is about 3.5% salt. Some sea have more salt than the others. Okay, let me see. The water in the ocean has more salt than the water in the rivers. Okay, so we can like rewrite it very easily. For example, they're saying like two different one, right? The water in the oceans, uh, the water in the oceans, oh, oceans, small, and then in the rivers. Okay, As you can see, they are writing right like this. Oceans, water in the oceans, more than water in the rivers. So the water in the oceans are 3.5% salt. Okay, right? So we can like write this information first and then we use which. You guys know which? This one. Which like let me try to explain it. Uh for example, like for example, mm, Anna got a bigger backpack than than Ruby, which can hold up to 3 books. So what does this mean? Anna got a bigger backpack than Ruby, which is which can hold more than 3 books. So what does this mean? What does which use in this sentence? The which helps you like to make the first one, this sentence. So we're calling this like number one, right? Number one and number two. So the which used to provide more informations for the first sentence. As you can see, Anna got a bigger backpack than Ruby. How much is it bigger? Like how much can it like hold more? So it can hold more than 3 books. So Anna's backpack is bigger and it can hold 3 books more than Ruby's backpack. Okay? So which is used to like provide more informations for the first sentence. So we're going to use which in this one. So ocean water contains 3.5% salt, which is more than the water in the rivers. So we just combine these two sentences and it still means the same. Okay, and some seas have more salt than the others. Okay, so like the some seas have more salt than the others are just like differently from these two sentences. So you just going to like rewrite it. Some seas have more salt than others. Okay, let's put it here. Okay, so this one is like 2 sentences, and this one is 3. Okay, coming to the last paragraph. Some lakes do not have a river to carry the water and salt away. Some of the water evaporates, but the salt cannot. The lakes are very salty. There are 2 famous lakes like this. They are in the Dead Seas. Okay, so this is just the informations. They are much saltier than the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Oceans. Okay, some lakes do not have a river to carry. Okay, so in fact, we can like combine these 2 sentences. This one and this one. Maybe this one. Okay. So summarize it. I'm going to write like this. As lakes do not have a river to carry the water and salt away. Therefore, it's like it's going the arrow's going down way, right? So some things happen that it's like the results is something. It affects to the results. So because the lakes do not have a river to carry the water and the salt away, so some some of the lakes, uh, wait, I can write like this. It's not really this way. So it's a plus. And because the water evaporates, the salt still the salt stays. So because of these two reasons, it leads to that some lakes are very salty. So the meaning of these three sentence is like that. Uh,
Yes.
yeah, okay, okay. So lakes do not have river to carry the water and salt, but the water evaporates, the salt stay. Therefore, the some lakes are very salty. So this is the meaning of three sentence. How are we going to rewrite it? Mm, we can write it. Some lakes do not have a river to carry the water and salt away. Okay, so we can like give it a dot here. While the water evaporates, the salt stays, resulting in some lakes are very salty. And I mean, like we can like write it leading to the fact that some lakes are very salty. Wait, let me just erase this real quick. Okay. Some lakes do not have a river to carry the water and salt. Mm, I'm trying to like combine these two sentences. Lakes do not have a river to carry the water and salt away. I mean, like I can write it like therefore, the water keeps evaporate while the salt stays, leading to the fact that some lakes are very salty. Okay, so what does leading to the fact that mean? To the fact that, okay, so what is leading? Leading is okay, để anh giải nghĩa tiếng Việt nha. Thì leading có nghĩa là em dẫn một cái gì đó tới cái gì đó. Thì leading to the fact that tức là em dẫn kiểu cái vế đầu, vế đầu vế A, em dẫn tới một cái sự việc là vế B. So yeah, so it's just like it just simply like the effects and the results. Yeah, some things that leads to something. So it's just like the affected and the results. Okay, some lakes do not have a river to carry the water and salt away. Therefore, the water keeps evaporate while the salt stay, leading to the fact that some lakes are very salty. Tức là một số cái lakes nó không có cái river để nó carry cái nước và cái muối đi. Therefore tức là dẫn tới việc á là trong khi I mean like while the water keeps evaporate, the salt stays. Ok, dẫn tới việc là trong khi nước cứ thế evaporate, nước cứ thế bốc hơi, thì cái salt nó vẫn ở nguyên đó, leading to the fact đã dẫn tới thêm một việc nữa là một số cái lakes rất là are very salty. So trong ba câu này là nó sẽ là A dẫn tới B dẫn tới C. Yeah, it's like maybe it's maybe a little bit hard for you guys to understand, but if you like if you like can imagine it, then it's going to be really easy. Okay, continue with the text. There are two famous lakes like this. They are in the Dead Sea in the middle in the state of Utah. They are much saltier than the Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Okay, so we're going to rewrite it. There are two famous lakes like this, which is we're going to like combine these two sentences because we're like these two are just the same. So like we're going to write it two lakes. Which lakes? Which lakes? So it's the Dead Sea and the Great Salt Lake. Yeah, so like it's like we're going to like uh like giống kiểu mình đang liệt kê ra á. Ví dụ như là mình có có hai cái hồ rất là nổi tiếng. Hai cái hồ đó là which is Dead Sea in the Middle East and the Great Salt Lakes in the state. Uh, wait, is this wrong? Okay, Dead Sea in the Middle East and the Great Salt Lake in the state in the states of United States, Utah. Okay, giống kiểu anh nói đây là có hai cái hồ là Dead Sea in the Middle East và Great Salt Lake ở một cái tiểu bang của Mỹ mang tên là Utah. Yeah. In the states of United States, Utah. Okay.
Có phải là United States gọi tắt là Utah đúng không?
Không phải. Ý là mình đang bảo là cái Great Salt Lake này nó ở một cái tiểu bang đúng không? Thì tiểu bang này tên là Utah. Great in the state of United States, which is Utah. Thì đúng mới ra ở chỗ này mình sẽ ghi thêm chỗ chữ which is, tức là ở một cái tiểu bang. Tiểu bang này tên là which is Utah. Nhưng mà ở đây mình dùng which is rồi nên là anh không muốn bị lặp từ quá, với lại cái which is ở đây nó không cần thiết lắm á. Mình có thể ghi thẳng ra là Utah luôn, nên là yeah, mình sẽ bỏ từ which is đi cho cái câu nó ngắn lại, với lại nó dễ hiểu. Ok chưa? Rồi.
Ừ.
Thì they are much saltier than the Atlantic the Oceans and the Pacific Ocean. What are they? They ở đây nghĩa là gì? Tức là nó là these lakes đúng không? Thì mình sẽ ghi là these lakes. These lakes tức là Dead Sea và Great Salt Lake á. These lakes are much saltier, saltier than the Atlantic and the Atlantic Ocean and the uh, Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Okay, okay. Đây, thì đã xóa bớt. Okay, cái câu này là hai câu nè. Một, hai, ba, bốn, bốn câu. Ở trên này là một, hai, ba, bốn, năm, sáu, sáu câu. Đây là 11 hay 11? Đây. Ok.
11.
Yeah, ok. Thì ở đây mình có 19 câu đúng không? Ở đây mình có 19 câu tất cả. Ở đây mình có
11.
ok, đâu, không phải 11, 12 chứ. 6 6 6 6 12. Yeah, so we got 12 here. Okay, as you can see, we got like seven sentences left. Sentence left. And the meaning of these two paragraphs are just the same. So that's how we call summarize. Okay? Bây
Ok.
giờ, okay, now I think I'm going to let you guys about 5 minutes so that you guys can copy down this thing into your book. Okay?
Code là sao anh?
Đây là copy á. Hiểu em?
Chép vô hả?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Em chép vô vở của em để mốt em kiểu mốt em, yeah, like I said before, mốt em cần em đọc lại cái bài này á, em thay vì em phải đọc nguyên một cái bài dài vậy thì em có thể đọc cái phần tóm tắt để hiểu cái bài. Nên
Ờ, copy cái mà anh làm đúng không?
đây nè, đây nè, đây để anh phóng to ra.
Copy mấy cái mà anh đã làm đúng không?
Yeah, 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 đây nè, nè. There's a lot of salt on the earth and it mixes very well with water. Here.
Viết cái bài đó đúng không?
Này cái bài nè, cái bài này phóng to nè. Đấy nha, chép vô. I'm 5 minutes and I'll be back, okay? So
Ok.
take your time and like, copy this paragraph down. And then we're going to move to the next lesson about why do plants kill. Yeah. All right, so we should. It's
I don't finish.
oh, you're not finished yet. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 3 more minutes so you could copy it down. Okay. Are you done yet, Anna?
No.
Okay. Anna, are you done?
No. It's
Oh,
a long time.
okay.
I,
Can you do you know how to take a picture of the text? Like,
no.
I think I can take one.
Um, no, no. I
Okay,
don't know.
okay. I think I can take one of it and put it in the text. Uh, meaning, okay. Do you see it yet?
Where?
In the chat box. This one.
I don't know. Cat box.
This one. This one. This one. This logo.
Wait,
This one. Chat.
wait.
Uh, the how do I draw it?
Check to the link that said chat.
Yeah.
The,
Like
the link
next
that
to the
Where?
participant. The participant.
the link said CHAT. CHAT.
Yeah, it's like this. Chat.
No, I can't see.
Okay. Okay. Last chance, okay? I'm going to wait till 3:15. So
Oh, I will come.
you found it yet? You found it yet? Oh my. Okay. I just got disconnect. Oh my God. I have to record it back. Wait, I'm still recording. Okay, that's nice. Anna, are you done yet?
No, but there's mom just.
Oh my. Uh, have you seen the chat box yet?
No, I don't see.
You still don't see the chat box yet. Where have you already read it? Where do you read it? Where have you write to? The first one,
They phone.
huh? Where?
They phone. They phone. They phone.
This one?
Um, let me circle.
This one?
Here, this word.
Oh, uh,
You can move my mountain picture.
okay. Uh, can you guys see the chat box? I have posted it in here.
No,
Okay. Have you seen it?
same here.
There's like a notifications, the red one pop up on the chat. How do I write it on? This one. This one. This
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. Okay, the
Oh, you can put that's an my mom already did it.
yeah, so there's
So,
like my text of my picture of it. Can
yeah.
you look in that?
Into it. Put into it.
Can I move now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Anna.
Uh,
Okay, thank you, Anna. Oh my God. Okay, so in today's lesson, we're going to read the lessons How Can a Plant Kill? Lesson number 4. Okay. I think we don't need to do this before you read. No, okay. As you can see, today's paragraph is like really less. It's like they're just like some new words for you guys, but most of them you already know it and it's really less. So in this lesson, we're going to divide the text into three parts, number 2, number 3, number 3. Okay, coming to the first one, let's invite Danny.
People kill, animals kill. Animals and people kill for food, or they kill their enemies. People and animals can move around and find something to kill. They can run away from an enemy. They can kill it if it is
Uh,
this.
you don't know how to pronounce it?
This is
Okay.
no.
Yeah, okay. So it is necessary. It's a necessary. necessary. I mean, like it's like more than but just like write it here. Necessary. Okay, necessary. Yeah,
Yes.
you're going to pronounce it like it. Necessary. They can kill it if it is necessary. Okay, number 2, let's invite is it Bella? Hello. Hello, Bella. Okay,
My sister accidentally knocked this into dollar. Okay, I'll begin.
okay, read
Many
it.
kinds of animals eat plants. The plants cannot run away from the enemy. Some plants are poisonous. If an animal eats part of the plant, it gets sick or dies. Oh, no.
Okay.
Animals learn to stay away from these plants. There are many kinds of plants that make poison. Some of them grow in the desert or in tropics.
Okay, very nice. And lastly, number 3, let's invite Wang Chi.
The Wang Ji.
I don't know. I think his name is Hai Phong. He write it in the class, but I don't know.
Oh, the Quanchi last time in my team, he doesn't do anything.
Yeah. Okay, so Wang Chi, could you like open your mic and read the paragraph for me? I mean like Wang Chi or Hai Phong or something.
But when he opened his camera, when I look in, I think he is Hai Phong too.
Yeah, he's Hai Phong. I know him. He's okay. It's Wang Chi here. I mean like Hai Phong. Okay, hello Hai Phong.
He's not writing. He just put his head in.
Okay.
He doesn't do it.
Uh
His eyes struggling. I'm sure it's not Wi-Fi. It is not
okay,
funny.
Last
Hai Phong.
time we called him very much, but he didn't answer it.
Okay, so Hai Phong, can you hear me? Okay, Danny, stop. Just stop, Danny. Hai Phong, can you hear me? Uh, this is weird.
Yeah.
Why am I having weird childrens? Oh my God, why am I having weird students? Wei Chi, Hai Phong, could you hear me? Okay, okay. I think we should pass on to someone else. Okay, Ruby, are you there? Ruby?
Yeah.
Okay, so could you read the paragraph number 3 for me?
Okay. Farmers use many kinds of poison on their farms. Most of these poisons come from
Petroleum. Petroleum, yeah.
petroleum. But petroleum is expensive. Scientists collect poisonous plants and study them. Maybe farmers can use cheap poison from plants instead of expensive poison from petroleum.
Petroleum. Okay, very nice, Ruby. Hey, so how are we going to pronounce this one? It's petroleum. Petroleum. But you read it like faster, so it's petroleum. Okay? Petroleum.
Oh, what is Quanchi looking?
I think he just like look
I
at
wonder.
me. He's here. Hello, Wang Chi. Hello, Hai Phong. I think his name's Hai Phong.
I'm tired.
Yeah? What happened?
His name's Hayani.
No.
Chayani.
His name's Hayani.
Mr. Thomas, now I'm busy. I will finish my homework and take a picture for you.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, Haley. I didn't invite you, but yeah. So the homework is, yeah, you like just like do this one, like do these exercises and Take a picture for me, so make sure that you like follow the classes exercise. Okay, see ya, Haley. See ya. Bye-bye. Okay, so coming back to the text. What is okay? Does anyone have any ideas about the word enemies? What does enemies mean? Okay, Danny, what is enemies?
Enemies
Yeah?
It's hard to say.
Wait. Don't open your mic, yours mic. Okay, I'm asking Danny. Okay, so that
Enemy, enemies means that like the snake is the rabbit's enemies because the enemies eat that.
okay, so what does enemies mean? I like the definitions. It's not like it's not in this particular species. Okay, có nghĩa là em đang nói là enemies là nhiều plants đồ nó affects đúng không? Nhưng mà anh đang hỏi cái nghĩa của enemies luôn á. Cái nghĩa bản chất của enemies á. Enemies cái nghĩa chung chung của nó là gì? Không có tính trong trường hợp của bài thì enemies nó có nghĩa là gì? Danny, got any ideas?
I think is
Okay.
đối thủ.
Yeah, correct. So enemies just đối thủ. Enemies just đối thủ, right? So like it's not your friend. For example, someone like hit you and you're angry about them, or someone is competing with you in a competitions, like you are playing sports and the other teams are against you, so the other teams means enemies, so they're simply like not our friends. They're not our friends. They're competing with me. They're competing with us, so they're called enemies. And the next one, what does necessary mean? Bella, do you know what necessary means? Okay, you don't know. Anyone know? All right. Oh, you guys don't know this word? Okay, so necessary means needed. You need something, it's necessary, nó cần thiết. Necessary có nghĩa là cần thiết, hiểu không? They can kill if it is necessary. Chúng có thể giết nó nếu mà đó là một điều cần thiết, nó là một điều bắt buộc. Necessary means needed. Or have to, like it is necessary to bring your book. I mean, like, it is necessary it is necessary to bring your book to class. So it means that you need to bring your book to your class. Okay, so necessary means needed and important. You should note this down because it's I think it's a B1, B2 word. Like we use it regularly. I use it in my exams, my essays, in my writings. I use it a lot. Necessary.
What Thomas, have you do the before you read?
No, it's just too easy. We don't need it. It's going to waste our time. We just got 30 minutes left and we have to do like all of these long stuff exercise. Okay. Okay. So necessary means needed. Who does anyone knows what tropics mean? Tropics. You don't know too, Bella. Danny, do you know what tropics means? Do you know?
Can I speak Vietnamese?
Could you try to explain it in English?
No.
Okay, so how about Vietnamese?
Nhiệt đới.
Yeah, correct. It's like it's definitely nhiệt đới, right? So what is nhiệt đới? Oh my God, what is nhiệt đới? So nhiệt đới, for example, tropical forest is
Places that just hot, very hot, just like the desert.
yeah. No. It's not like very hot. Very hot is like desert or something. Tropical doesn't
Like
mean
Vietnam,
hot.
like Vietnam is a tropics country.
Yeah, we are tropics country. We are tropicals country. But we are not like most of our like our countries are not like very hot. It doesn't mean hot. It means that here, hot, wet parts of the world. So what does this mean? Like if like it's okay. I have to explain it in Vietnamese. Nhiệt đới có nghĩa là nó vừa nóng mà nó còn ẩm ẩm á, kiểu nóng ẩm á. Like you're going to like study it when you're grade 7th, grade 8, you're going to study it this in the geography lesson. Yeah. So hot and wet parts. Tức là tuy là nó nóng nhưng mà kiểu cái hơi ẩm của nước nó vẫn bốc lên được á thì thường nó sẽ gây ra cảm giác khá là khó chịu. Yeah, anh thấy là nó khá là khó chịu. Yeah. So
Anh Thomas ơi, cái
yeah.
chỗ này người ta hỏi là cuộc họp này đang được ghi âm thì em có nên nhấn OK không?
Bộ phận nào? Cái gì? À, ok, cái đó là phiên âm mà. Hả?
This meeting is being recorded.
Yeah, this meeting has been recorded. I just say
What is
this.
record?
Record means like you are filming something. You're like
Oh.
yeah. Oh my God. It's like
I
the basic
believe
word.
I click this.
Yeah, you should click okay, it's fine. Your computer are not going to explode, so don't worry.
Not my computer, my iPad. I use iPad to talk.
Oh, okay, so you just click okay, so your iPad won't get explode. Don't worry.
I already clicked.
Yeah, okay, very nice. All right, move on to the first exercise. Put the right word in each blank. There are sentences from the text. Well, I think we don't have much time, so I'm going to invite one people and they're going to like read the two sentences, okay? Just read two of them. Yeah, just read it. We don't have much time left. Okay, so Bella, for the first two sentences.
Many kinds of animals eat plants. Animals and people kill for food, or they kill their enemies.
Okay, very nice. Many kinds of animals eat plants. Animals and people kill for food, or they kill their enemies. Okay, 3 to 4. Let's invite Anna.
Farmers use many kinds of poison on their farm. Scientists collect poison plants and study them.
Scientists collect poisonous plants and study them. Very nice, Anna. Number 5 and 6. Let's invite who's that? Hoài Thương and An Giang.
Who is hydroelectric them?
I don't know. Okay, so could you like Hoài Thương and An Giang, could you like do number 5 and 6 for me?
Why?
How about Kevin? Are you there, Kevin?
Yes.
Yeah, hello, Kevin. Okay, so number 5 and 6.
Đi chỉnh lại cái màn từ đầu xong dưới về đi chỉnh màn lên nào nó tố.
This one.
Some
Some plants are some plants are. So you must write an adjective here. Adjective. This one is an adjective. This one is an adjective. This one an adjective. So there's 3: expensive, poisonous, and cheap. Okay. What is it? Expensive means that it needs a lot of money. A lot of money. It's expensive. Cheap is mean less money. So what is poisonous? Poisonous mean harm. It's harmful. It's harm to human and plants. Okay, so Kevin, which one is it?
Lisa,
Yeah, what is it?
it
Yeah.
poison now.
Yeah, very nice, Kevin. So it's poisonous. Poisonous. Very nice. And number 6, maybe farmers can use Kevin. Maybe farmers can use maybe farmer can use
Nhưng mà vẫn đi được là tốt rồi.
something poison from plants, something expensive poison from petroleum. Kevin?
Yeah,
Yeah, number 6.
maybe farmers can use
Use. Okay. So okay, let's go hop back to this one. Here. Maybe farmer can use something from plant, something expensive poison from petroleum. So what is it? What should we write here?
Xịn đấy.
Kevin? What should we write here?
Yeah.
Maybe farmers use something poison from plants and some plants, something
what
expensive.
is this
poison.
word? Cheap.
Yeah, but maybe farmers can use cheap.
What is this word?
Wait, Anna, wait, Bella, wait. I'm explain you that word later. I'm asking Kevin. Okay, maybe farmer can use cheap poison from plants and from plants.
Instead of
Yeah, very nice. Instead of expensive poison from petroleum. Wait me a little bit, Bella. Let me.
Thế vẫn còn may. Nó chín hồng.
why is it bigger? What's that, Thomas? What's that? Oh, what's that? You are.
And he's I brought
Lost
him
nectar to see. I think that
oil. It's oil.
oil.
Gas. Yes.
A lots of oil we can see. Oh, I can see oil handing the money.
Hey, you're mute, Thomas. You're mute. We can.
Who's Danny? What's that? Oh,
Okay, I get it. I get it.
Let's see. What's he doing?
All right. Yeah, okay. So my dad just called someone, so I have to mute myself. Okay, let's keep on with the work. The last one, let's invite 3 people, okay? So Danny, the last 3 of them. Danny,
Yes,
most of them.
most of them grow in the desert or in the tropics. They can kill it if it is necessary. Most of these poisons come from petroleum, but petroleum is expensive.
Hey, so it's petroleum, not petroleum, okay? It's
Yeah.
it's petroleum, okay? And move on to the next one. Put the right word in each blank. These are new sentences for words in the text. Number 1, okay, 11, okay. For the first, I think let's invite 1 people for 3 sentence. We don't have much
1
time.
for 3.
Yeah, 1 person for 3 because we don't have much time left. Okay, so Anna, the first 3 one.
David's parents have a big farm. They are farmers. Mrs. Ben is a teacher. Please come to the UN Wooden at 12 class if you can.
What is the third one?
If
Okay, so David's parents have a big farm, correct? They are farmers, correct? The next one. A Mercedes-Benz is a cheap car. There are like a sign of it if you don't know if it's whether cheap or not. So like, ví dụ như em không biết Mercedes nó đắt hay nó rẻ thì em nhìn vô từ này nè, an. Why is it an N in it? Why is it an? Why is it not a? It's an.
sorry.
It's not a, right?
It's
Yeah, because the next word should start with a vowel. I told you already, right? Vowel is this one. Yeah. So the next, yeah. Well, right? So the next word should start with these 5 letters. So what should it be? Anna, what should it be? It's not
is
expensive.
it
It's not
instead
cheap.
of? Is it that?
It's not cheap. So what should it be?
Yeah, last one will be
A Mercedes-Benz is an
envision.
huh?
Is it the first one at the top?
This one?
Yes, I found it. It's
Yeah.
hard.
Okay. Yeah, it's correct. It's expensive. What does expensive mean? Expensive. What does expensive mean? Expensive mean that it's not cheap. It needs a lot of money. So it's expensive. So you're going to read it like oh my God, it's so hard to read. So it's like a
Why sao nó lại có dấu hiền nhỉ?
anh thêm vào đó em đọc cho dễ. Expensive. Oh my God.
Nhưng mà trong tiếng Anh nó không có dấu hiền.
Yeah, anh chị đang có phiên âm cho em á. Expensive.
Trong tiếng Anh thì nó không có dấu.
Here. Here. X. Có nghĩa em sẽ cho nó đi xuống á. X. Okay, em lấy X đúng không? E và X em sẽ đọc là X. Nó đi xuống á, nó đang đi xuống. Expensive.
Expensive.
Yeah, expensive, correct, Anna. Very nice. Okay, move on to the next three ones. Let's invite Ruby. Ruby?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, then number 4, number 5, number 6.
Mhm. Malis Malay
Malaysia.
Malaysia, Togo, and Nigeria
Are in the
are in the tropics.
in the tropics. Okay, so cái này, this one. It's Nigeria. Okay.
Okay.
Malaysia, Togo, and Nigeria are in the tropics. Okay, number 5.
Please write the answers on a piece of paper in, instead in
Yeah,
instead of in the book.
very nice. Please write the answers on a piece of paper instead of in the book. Okay, and number 6.
Allie, please collect all the students' papers.
Yeah, very nice. Ali, please collect all the students' paper. Okay, thank you. Number 7 to number 9. Let's invite Danny. Danny, wake up.
Some things we use in the garden are poisonous. We must keep these things away from children.
Yeah, we use in the garden some poison. We must keep these things away from the children. Okay, number 8.
People are the only enemy of polar bears.
People are the only enemies. Enemy with us of polar bears. Number 9.
What kind of car do you have?
Yeah, very nice, Danny. And Bella, could you read number 10 to number 11?
The word
This one, number 10 to number 11.
clothes are not usually okay. Clothes are not usually
Where is it?
cheap.
Yeah,
Clothes.
very nice. Cheap.
Children. I see the word please.
Children, what?
Children. They need new clothes every.
Yeah, so what should we write here?
Can you please go after
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
word?
Okay.
Children.
It should be a verb.
Is there tropic no, farm no, collect no, can no. I think it's poison out
You think it's poisonous?
now.
No, yeah. So what should it be?
Grow.
Yeah, very nice. Children grow very fast. They need new clothes every few months. Okay, thank you. Coming to exercise C. Put the right word in each blank. Okay, put the right word in each blank to make the sentence make sense. We're going to read 2 sentences for each one. Okay, so Anna, the first 2 sentences.
Can you describe an aquarium? Tell me about one.
Okay, very nice. Can you describe an aquarium? Tell me about one. And number 2?
Some scientists teach at universities and some work at libraries.
Okay, very nice. Some scientists teach at university and some work in laboratories. Okay, number 3 to number 4, let's invite Danny.
I don't believe you. It isn't true.
Okay, how about number 3?
Don't walk to class every day. Buy a bicycle. You can save time.
Can save time. Very nice. Number 5 and number 6, let's invite Tracy. Are you there, Tracy? Tracy? How about Kevin? Oh, Tracy here. Okay, hello, Tracy. Hello. So
Kenny
this one.
is
5 to number 6.
Sam is
Sam is what happened to Sam?
bored.
Yeah, very nice. Sam is bored and he doesn't have anything to do. How about number 5? Keiko. Tracy? Okay, Tracy. Keiko.
Therefore is hard.
Keiko is hard. She wants to see.
Hard.
It's not hard. It should be something else. What happened to Keiko? She wants she
Like he put something on the chart, but the first time I didn't get right, but now I do see I get a fault.
yeah.
And what I do, I didn't know I am fault,
Okay.
but now I know.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, so what should it be here? Why?
It's the same thing as that.
Yeah, it's the same thing as that. Like she wants to see her friends and family because Keiko is. Anna, do you know what happened to Keiko?
Lonely.
Yeah, very nice. Keiko is slowly. Okay, Anna, could you do number 7 to number 8 for me? Wait, no,
Mary and Tony
wait,
usually
Anna,
study group.
wait. Sorry, you already did it. I'm gonna have to invite someone else.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna invite you next time. Okay, so Bella,
Mary and Tony usually study hard.
usually study hard. And number 8,
It is cooler under a tree than in the sun.
okay, very nice. And number 9
Now
to number 10, let's invite Ruby.
A camel is about the same size
Same size,
as a large horse.
very nice. And number 10,
Thomas,
yeah,
number 10 is hard, but number 7 is group, not hard, because it's hard to not use languages.
right.
It's hard to be Mary and
Oh,
Tony.
okay, I
Usually
see.
study group.
I see. We can change it later. It's Ruby turn, okay. I can look it back again, okay. So at first I see this makes
can
sense,
look
and
at
later
the
I can
word.
change. Okay, thank you, Anna. Okay, so
Yes.
as Anna already said, it must be hard here. Anna, next time, make sure you want to say something. You should like let your friends say like finish them first, okay? And you
Okay.
okay, yeah. Thank you, Anna. Next time, if you guys need any help trying to correct the exercise, just make sure your friends are already done with it. Then I will invite you, okay? Okay, as Anna said, Mary and Tony usually study together. It's hard to learn a new language. Okay, so the next exercise, the Arcturus, means you have to think of the answer. You cannot find it in the text. Got 8 here, so I'm gonna divide it into 2. Ruby, could you do the first 2 questions? Ruby? Ruby?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, the first 2 questions. Why do people and animals kill? Ruby? Do you need to look at the text? Okay. I'll have to invite someone else, okay? I might invite you the next exercise. Thank you, Ruby. The first two questions, let's invite Danny. Okay.
People and animals kills their prey because they took it to have food.
They kill because they need food. Very nice. Number two, can plants run away from an enemy? Danny?
No,
No.
no,
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
but sometimes it's poison.
Yeah, because they can run away, so some plants are poisonous to avoid the enemies. Number three to number four, let's invite Anna. Anna. Anna.
Sometimes get sick or die.
Sometimes
It can get sick or die.
they get sick or die. Very nice. And number four,
What do animals learn about this sick? They learn to they learn animals learn to stay away from these plants.
they learn what?
They learn to stay away.
Oh, yeah, okay. They learn to stay away from these plants. Very nice. Number five to number six, let's invite Bella.
Which is going to 9 to 5 to number 8. But anyway, where the most important plants grow, they usually grow in the, they need to say it, forest.
Wait, could you speak it properly? I can't get it.
Forest.
Wait, what?
Forest.
Oh, forest. Okay. Thank you. Forest. And number six, why do farmers use poison on their farms?
To keep the scary animals away.
Yeah, very nice. To keep the
Insects.
insects. I mean, like, let's put the harmful here. Harmful insects,
From the plant away.
animals away.
From the yummy plant.
Okay, thank you, Anna.
No, I'm not Anna.
Oh wait, thank you, Bella. Oh my God. So sorry. Okay, number seven to number eight. Let's invite. Are you there, Tracy? Tracy, Kevin, Guangchi. Are you there, Kevin? Are you there, Tracy? Oh, Kevin here. Hello, Kevin.
Yeah.
Okay, so number seven and number eight. Where do most poison come from?
It's from ground.
Huh?
It's from ground.
It's from the ground. Wait. It's not come from the ground. What should it be? Where should it come from?
But petroleum.
Yeah, very nice, Kevin. It's come from petroleum. Very good. It comes from petroleum. Okay, wait. Kevin, number eight. Why do scientists collect and study poisonous plants? Why do scientists collect and study poisonous plants? Let me move on here to you for you. Oh, wait. Okay, this is a bit tricky. Bella, do you know why? Okay, thank you, Kevin. If it's hard for you, wait. Oh my God.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you, Kevin. So, Bella, why do scientists collect poisonous plants and study them?
Easy peasy. They will learn all about poisonous.
Oh, because they want to learn all about poison. Any other answers? Danny?
Wow.
Okay, thank you, Bella. No, no. Danny don't have any other things. How about
I think maybe farmers can use cheap poison from plants instead of expert poison.
Yeah, I think so. Bella's right. They wanna collect study them because they just want to because they want to study the poison. But I think but I think most of the reason comes from the fact that farmers want to use cheap poison from plants rather than expensive poison. Very nice. Thank you, Bella. Thank you, Danny.
Cheap poison are not good.
Okay. Other scientists collect and study poisonous plants because because farmers want to use cheap poison. Oh my God, poison from plants instead of expensive poison from expensive poison from petroleum. Okay, we still have 1 minute left. Let's just speedrun this one. I'm going to each of you guys, we're going to do 2 sentences each. Okay, so Danny, number 1, number 2.
Animals and people kill their enemies.
Yeah, enemies.
Plants cannot move around.
Very nice. Number 3, number 4. Let's invite Ruby. Ruby?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, number 3, number 4.
An animal gets sick or dies if it eats a poisonous plant.
Yeah, very nice. And number 4?
Most poisonous plants grow in the desert or in the Arctic Circle.
Arctic Circle. Wait, is it true?
And
Wait.
I
Wait. Let me check. No, it's not. It isn't. Ruby, what should it be?
It should be tropics.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you, Ruby. It should be tropics. Number 5 to number
Can I
6.
do it? Can I do it?
Okay. So Bella.
Farmers use many kinds of poison.
Okay, very nice.
Most of these poison come from, I think,
Come from?
sea.
You think it's come from petroleum. Okay, very nice. Thank you, Bella. And lastly, number 7 to number 8. Let's invite Anna.
Scientists collect poison plants. Poison from plants is cheaper.
Yeah. Okay. Very nice, guys. And lastly, main idea of the text. Okay. Let's invite Danny for this one. What should it be?
I think I think 1 or 2, maybe.
1 or 2. Mm. Okay. I think your correct answer is number 1. Why is it number 1? Some plants make poison. Plants make poison because so it's just like the summarize of the number 2. Maybe farmer can use it because farmer want to use it. Because farmer want to use them. So number 1 is just like number 2 and number 3. It's like the combinations of number 2 and number 3. Okay, so it should be number 1. All right. Very nice, guy. We just done the exercise for today's lesson. And on our next lesson, we're going to move on to lesson number 5. Okay, it's just some hand signing things. Very nice. Okay, so thank you for participating in our class today. Yeah, that's it.